Hey, PAC-PREZ here. PAC-BLU is breaking all the rules of traditional access control. And if you're a locksmith, business owner, or just done dealing with keys, it's a game changer. Here's what most people think access control looks like. Control panels, power supplies, home running cables, and IT headaches. You know the story. One door turns into a monster of a job. That's why so many locksmiths say, I don't mess with that stuff. PAC-BLU flips that on its head. Instead of wiring back to a closet, just install a controller right at the door, power supply included. No readers, no panels, no servers, no software installs, just a clean, fast install that puts control of your door, gate, or cabinet right on your phone. PAC-BLU is access control designed for everyday users, not just IT departments. If you're looking for a locksmith who wants to finally offer access control without the hassle, this is for you. If you're a business owner tired of passing around keys or calling a locksmith to rekey, PAC-BLU gives you control and makes managing access simple. And if you're managing doors across multiple sites, PAC-BLU gives you one system to run it all, with no extra fees for additional users or credentials. So here's how it works. PAC-BLU installs at the door and talks to your phone over Bluetooth. Use your phone to unlock, set schedules, and manage settings. No IT guy needed. Behind the scenes, it's syncing to the cloud through your phone, so you can see what's going on from anywhere. Pricing is simple, and best of all, it's cost effective. Compared to traditional systems, which can quickly run into tens of thousands for just a few doors, this approach delivers the same core functionality at a fraction of the cost. So to recap, PAC-BLU gives you enterprise-grade control without typical enterprise headaches. It's simple, it scales, and it works. I'm PAC-PREZ, and this has been a PAC-PREZ Minute.